Well, guys, Saab's leaking again, but it's a slow leak. It's coming from the transmission. It's not the end of the world. I'm just gonna monitor it, see where it's coming from. Maybe it's fixable, maybe it's not. But regardless to say, I wanted to just explain to you guys a couple websites that I use for my Saab parts. So let's check it out. So for this part, guys, it's not being manufactured anymore in the aftermarket as OEM. There are aftermarket handles for the door, but they're not matching chrome, they're black. So if you were to replace them, you would have to replace all of them. But to keep my Saab original, I went ahead and I shopped eBay for this one, found it in the UK and imported it into the United States. The other site that you can go ahead and shop is Goldwing Saab. They are a Saab specialist junkyard in the Northeast region that has a plethora of parts. Let's go ahead and install this guy. Now we have a new door handle that works. Next up, we got our brakes. Rotors and brakes and these types of components in this area, suspension, this kind of stuff, you can find this OEM parts at a few different websites. You can shop it on Amazon if you have an OEM part number, which you can also find on saabparts.com. You can find them on fcpeuro.com, and you can also find them on europarts.com. FCP, always free shipping. Europarts, free shipping over $100. If you're going to be buying brakes for your Saab, it's going to be free shipping. The Saab site is another website that I like to use. What's nice about the Saab site is you may or may not always get the best price for the product, but you can search their catalog. It gives a diagram where you can go ahead with numbers and pictures and really pick out the part that you need. That website, just so you know, is also good for any section, inside, outside, engine, whatever, on your car to go ahead and search for those things. Very clean website. Again, great for things that aren't on other sites such as FCP Euro or saabparts.com or europarts.com. It's a great place to find OEM stock numbers, which you then can search on the web for Amazon, eBay. Just my word of advice. Those are some of the areas that I get those parts from. So for my brakes, the website that I would probably most likely use is europarts.com. All right, guys. So the last thing for today that I want to touch on is, light bulbs and such. This light bulb here is the reverse light that went out on the Saab 9.3s old generation. They have two contacts on the back of the light bulb. So in this case, I searched online since I was getting oil at the local parts store. I searched on Europarts real quick for the light bulb, and since I was in the store buying oil or whatever I was doing, maybe I was even buying brakes. Sometimes I shop brakes at the shop for brakes at the local store. Got the part number and I went online or went into the store, picked it up there, and we're all set. So those are the couple sites that I use to shop for my Saab parts. Let me test this real quick. Hold on. So there you go, guys. The reverse lights are working. As you can see, the reverse light is on. And now it's off. So that's back in action. Parts. Wrap this up. We have saabparts.com. You have europarts.com. You have the saabsite.com, which again, guys, is a great site if you want to itemize the entire car, look through a picture diagram with part numbers below. You have fcpeuro.com, always free shipping there, guys. Not always the best for price and not always the best for parts availability. Just keep that in mind. That's why you have a couple distributors with parts. eBay is a good one if it's something that's a discontinued part that you can only get aftermarket and you want OEM. And the last thing, for all you guys that are tuners, you have Hirsch Performance, you have Nordic Tuning, and also in the United States, I always shop genuinesaab.com. That's where I've gotten exhausts before that are performance exhausts. And they also have a lot of other cool things that they engineer themselves that's different than the other guys on the web. So, if you like what I've done here, guys, if you have any questions, comment below, leave me your feedback, hit that like button, and if it's your first time hitting the channel, please subscribe. If you've subscribed already, thank you, and I will see you guys next time, as I will always have updates with my Saab, my Volvos, and of course all the reviews that I do on the channel, which we have a really cool one coming up in the next week or so. Last week, just so you know, little sneak peek, right here in this picture, we did the 2019 Aston Martin Rapide AMR Halo Edition. It was the first time we got to see the Rapide AMR outside the dealership, starting, driving, and running. So it's gonna be a really cool video. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.